This 2022 Coleman Lantern Series 270TQ is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coleman is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Boulder interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.